PancakeSwap is a leading decentralized exchange on the BNB Smart Chain, allowing users to trade and earn without intermediaries. First, connect your wallet like MetaMask to get started. To swap tokens, select the tokens you want to exchange, such as USDT for Cake, and confirm the transaction. To provide liquidity, add tokens to liquidity pools. For example, a Cake BNB pair. You'll receive LP tokens representing your share in the pool. Providing liquidity earns you a portion of the trading fees, currently 0.25% per trade. However, be aware of impermanent loss, the risk of losing value if the prices of the tokens in the pair diverge significantly. Tools like Zap can simplify the process of adding liquidity. Stake your LP tokens in farms to earn Cake rewards. This is yield farming, where you provide liquidity and receive additional tokens as incentives. PancakeSwap also offers syrup pools for staking Cake tokens directly. You can stake your Cake and earn additional rewards without providing liquidity. When participating in yield farming, understand the risks involved. Smart contract vulnerabilities exist, so always verify audits from reputable firms like Certic or OpenZeppelin. Impermanent loss can reduce your profits when token prices fluctuate significantly in liquidity pools. Regulatory changes can impact the platform and your investments. Start with small amounts to get comfortable and consult financial experts before investing heavily. PancakeSwap emphasizes decentralization and user control, but it's crucial to manage your own risks.